If you hear this sound, and if you think this is music or someone playing xylophone, this sound comes from everywhere. They have speakers everywhere in these newer buildings. And guess what? You need to look at these signs, the run sign. And when you see a sign like that, see, the speaker, you will see sign that those are exit doors. So don't wait around and listen to the sound like I do. I'm just showing you where the sound comes from. And follow the arrows. Okay, so you run, but you look around the corner because you might bump into people who are all scrambling to get out. The elevators will not work. It says right here, in case of fire, use exit stairway, do not use the elevator. Right, so make sure don't use the elevator because it will not work. It's going to be deactivated anyway. So don't wait at the button at the elevator on the lobby. It's no point. It's waste of your time. So follow the arrows and fire exit door. Easy to read. And follow the sign. And get out. And look around the corner. Nobody. And stairs are nicely marked. And use an exit door because all the doors will be unlocked and will help you to get out whatever. So I'm not going to exit, but I'm just showing you that this is your way for safety. And you should gather near the street somewhere, watch for traffic, where someone is doing a head count, or just gather your family members and wait for instructions from someone who is designated in your building, someone who has first aid training or is part of the emergency and disaster committee, who will give you some directions what to do, how long you wait. You will be updated with information. It was just a sensor, faulty sensor. Someone pulled the fire station trigger or handle, pull down handle. Usually it's a faulty sensor in an older building, but it is a newer building. Maybe there's smoke into one of the apartments and the smoke sensor detected it, and it was also triggering not only the local alarm in the apartment, but maybe the person opened the door and it triggered the sensor in the hallway, or it's a real fire. If it's a real fire into the unit, there is another one. There is a smoke sensor and a fire sensor, the flame sensor. So you need to know all these exits and don't panic. These buildings are made out of concrete and likely everyone is going to be fine. Just maybe one apartment affected. Talk to you later. Stay safe and don't get into panic mode because you will lose your power of thinking. So thinking power goes down, survival instincts goes up. In survival, you just run or fight. That's it. So you don't need to fight anyone. You just run, but run with logics. So don't panic. Panic will get you in the survival mode. Take care. Bye-bye.